Think smooth skin after 40 is impossible? Think again. You know, most women skip one crucial step before waxing, and it secretly changes everything. Stick with me, because you won't believe how a few simple adjustments can make waxing practically painless and leave your skin absolutely radiant. The secret isn't some expensive product or complicated routine. It's about understanding what your skin needs right now. We'll uncover why your skin feels different, the common mistakes that are secretly sabotaging your results, and a gentle pre-wax ritual that feels more like a spa day than a chore. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to get that silky smooth skin you deserve, without the pain and irritation you dread. Are you ready to glow? Let's start by being honest. Your skin isn't the same as it was in your 20s, and that's completely normal and beautiful. As we move into our 40s and beyond, our skin naturally evolves. One of the biggest changes is that our skin barrier, the protective outer layer, starts to thin. This means it can lose moisture more easily and become more susceptible to sensitivity. You might also notice that it takes a little longer to bounce back from, well, anything, whether that's a late night or a skincare treatment. But that's the important part. These changes don't mean that waxing has to be a painful or damaging experience. In fact, understanding these shifts is the first step toward working with your skin, not against it. A little later, I am going to walk you through a complete TLC ritual that's designed specifically for sensitive, mature skin. It's a total game changer. These natural changes are just a signal to treat our skin with a little extra kindness and a smarter approach. It's about upgrading our routine to match our current needs, ensuring that every step is gentle, nourishing, and supportive. So, don't look at these changes as a setback. See them as an invitation to a new, more mindful way of caring for yourself and achieving that radiant glow at any age. Now, let's talk about some common habits that might be making your waxing experience more painful than it needs to be. Most women unknowingly increase their own discomfort simply because they're doing what they've always done. The biggest mistake? Rushing the process. When we're in a hurry, we tend to be less gentle, which is the opposite of what our skin needs. Another major issue is skipping proper preparation. Many people either don't exfoliate at all before waxing, or they do it right before their appointment, which can make the skin even more sensitive. Using harsh, stripping cleansers or products with alcohol right before you wax is another no-go. These things disrupt your skin's delicate balance and can lead to more irritation and pain. But here's the reassuring part, these are all easy fixes. With just a few simple tweaks to your routine, your skin will respond so much better. It's not about a massive overhaul, it's about being more intentional. Think of it like warming up before a workout. You're preparing your skin for what's to come, making the whole process smoother and far more comfortable. Next, we're going to dive into the exact TLC pre-wax ritual that will make you feel like you're getting a spa treatment right at home. It's all about creating a calm, gentle experience from start to finish. Alright, this is the part you've been waiting for. Let's transform your waxing routine with the TLC pre-wax method. This gentle approach can make all the difference between a painful ordeal and a surprisingly pleasant experience. The first step, and this is crucial, is gentle exfoliation about 24 to 48 hours before you wax, not the day of. Use a soft scrub or a chemical exfoliant with lactic acid to slough away dead skin cells without being abrasive. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and allows the wax to grip the hair, not your skin. Then, on the day of your wax, it's all about hydration and protection. Before you even think about applying wax, massage a light, non-comedogenic oil onto the area. This creates a protective barrier, so the wax adheres properly to the hair while gliding over your skin. And when it comes to the wax itself, make sure it's warm to a comfortable, honey-like consistency, never hot. Apply it in a slow, deliberate motion. So many women have told me that switching to this method has meant minimal pain and a much faster recovery. It truly respects your skin. And hang on, because a bit later, I'll be sharing that tiny little step most women forget, the one that really is the secret weapon for flawless results. What you do after you wax is just as important as what you do before. Aftercare is your secret to keeping that smooth, calm, and radiant finish. The moment you're done waxing, your skin is craving comfort. So, the first step is to apply a soothing gel. Look for ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, or calendula, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. This will immediately help to calm any redness and reduce sensitivity. For the next 24 to 48 hours, it's all about hydration and avoiding friction. Drink plenty of water to hydrate from the inside out, and apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to the area. Also, try to wear loose, breathable clothing made from natural fibers like cotton to avoid irritating your freshly waxed skin. Resist the urge to touch the area too much. After that initial 24 to 48 hour window has passed, you can reintroduce gentle exfoliation to prevent ingrown hairs. This system of loving aftercare proves that even sensitive, mature skin can heal quickly and beautifully. Stick around, because in our next video, I'm going to reveal the single most skipped step that will completely elevate your waxing game. You don't want to miss it. Let's quickly recap the keys to a painless, glowing waxing experience after 40. First, remember that your skin changes naturally, becoming more sensitive and slower to recover. This is normal, and it just means we need to adapt our approach. Second, we need to avoid those common pre-waxing mistakes like rushing, using harsh products, or skipping gentle exfoliation. Little tweaks make a huge difference. Third, and most importantly, embrace the TLC method for both pre-wax prep and post-wax recovery. Gentle exfoliation, nourishing oils, and soothing aftercare are your best friends. These steps work together to protect your skin barrier and minimize irritation. The core takeaway here is simple: with gentle care and consistency, beautifully smooth skin is absolutely achievable at any age. It's not about fighting against your skin, it's about working with it, honoring its needs, and celebrating the radiant confidence that comes with feeling good in your own skin. You've got this. I really hope these tips help you feel more confident and comfortable with your waxing routine. If you found this helpful, you are going to love our next video. I'll be revealing the one single step that most women skip before waxing, and trust me, it changes everything. It's the final piece of the puzzle for truly painless, radiant results. To make sure you don't miss it, join the Glow fam. Hit that subscribe button for more gentle waxing tips and tricks designed just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.